welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a fabulous day. So, as you can see from the description below, yes, I have another Target beauty box for April 2019. That is because they offered 2 boxes when they first released their boxes. I believe it was the second Monday of the month. And there was one that really piqued my interest, so I picked it up. And the other, I was like, I'm not so sure about. They have recently added another 3 boxes, so there's 5 total. And the other 3 are actually also available in store. Now, the second one that they originally released, the All Natural Beauty, like I said, I didn't pick up because I was like, not really feeling it. Then I saw Kitty from Kitty's Boxes unbox it, and I was like, okay, she did a better job selling me this than the description on Target's website. So I picked it up. It was still available, so I grabbed it and ordered it, and it is here. So this is the second Target beauty box for April 2019. And let's dive in. This is not a subscription, just so you know, if you're not familiar with the Target beauty boxes. They do, like I said, release usually the second Monday of the month, sometimes the first. They've been known to throw it in on a Wednesday. You can sign up and you'll get notifications when they do release them. And there is always at least 1, sometimes 2, sometimes 5. And they are $7 a piece. So, and they do show you what is in the box. So, if you choose not to order one, like I did, you don't have to. You can pick up what you want. And then you can always order, again later after you see that it's like a really good one. So, like I did. So, again, this is the All Natural Beauty for the month of April. And as always, they do have here the $3 off a $15 beauty purchase. They do have it now to where you use the app rather than it actually being the coupon itself. And it also tells us about all of the items in here. So, this is what we see. We peel it back. And there's all our goodies. So, like I said, online I was like, I'm not so sure about this. But then her video, I'm like, okay, yeah. So we are just going to dive in and see what this one is all about. And the first thing I'm pulling out is from Shea Moisture. This is an African black soap clarifying facial wash and scrub. And it says with tamarind extract and tea tree oil for blemish prone skin. So I know that tea tree oil is supposed to be very good, and I really wanted to... Okay, right here. I'm sorry, this tells me on the back. This is even better. The African Black Soap, it says clarifies oily, blemish-prone skin. The tamarind extract, an astringent that exfoliates and brightens skin, and then the tea tree oil gently balances and soothes. So I'm actually super excited to try this. And it says here, African Black Soap absorbs impurities, controls excess oil, and detoxifies skin, while tamarind extract and tea tree oil brighten and clarify. So I think it's 1.5 ounces. So this, is definitely enough to get enough uses to find out if you do like it. So I was happy about that product. And then we have from The Good Stuff a complete repair balm. It says it's for damaged hair. It's a no rinse conditioner. It's for towel dried hair. And it is vegan, 0 dyes and parabens. So that is this guy right here. Plant-based detanglers leave locks soft and smooth, while lightweight microsilicones shield hair from daily damage, repairing strands with every use. Let's see, does it have a safety seal? It does not. It doesn't really have much of a scent. But I'm all about, keeping my hair soft and healthy, so I'm excited to try this. And speaking of hair, this I'm actually really excited for. I'm loving this brand, and I've actually grown to love through the Target beauty boxes, but that is the Love Beauty and Planet. And this is a Love Beauty and Planet Muru Butter Mask Sachet. Brazilian Marumu. Say that 10 times fast. An ethically sourced rose deliver a deep treatment that helps visibly recharge color-treated hair with a boost of vibrancy and shine. And it says the 2-minute magic mask. Renewal for dull hair and acts of love for our planet. And you guys, this is like, I mean, it's loaded. So this is at least 2, if not 3 uses. It is, let's see, it has organic coconut oil. It is vegan, and it's cruelty-free, plant-based detanglers. No silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. So I am very happy to give this a try. I love a good hair mask. So yes. And like I said, it is so full. So at least 2, if not 3 uses. So that's awesome. And then we also have one more product from Love Planet and Love Beauty and Planet. And that is this coconut water and mimosa flower luscious hydration hand lotion. And this says fast absorbing moisturizing lotion formulated with natural coconut water leaves skin feeling nourished and smelling delicately fresh. I love a good hand cream. It does have a safety seal, so we're going to take that off because I want to try it. Well, there we go. Ugh. So. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. And it's like a light. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. That smells so... I really honestly don't smell the coconut so much. What is on my fingernail? Sorry guys, I don't edit, and there was something on my fingernail. I don't know what it was. Oh, and it is really fast absorbing. Okay. I love that. That smells amazing. All right. Now, we have from Schmidt's, it says a cedarwood and juniper natural soap with charcoal and exfoliating volcanic sand. Aromatic and moisture-rich soap for face and body. Natural plant and mineral-derived ingredients help neutralize odor, while woodsy cedarwood and juniper keep you smelling fresh all day long. Can't really smell it. All I can smell right now is that hand cream, and it smells amazing. But this is awesome. My husband will actually probably like this. So, and then we have one more product, and this, you guys, kind of threw me for a loop because I had no idea that this was even made. But it's by Burt's Bees, and it is a toothpaste. It is their Enamel Care Mountain Mint toothpaste. It is a fluoride toothpaste, and specially formulated to leave your breath smelling fresh, your mouth feeling clean, and your enamel strong. Say hello to a sparkly smile. So, and this seems to be like a really good size. It does have a coupon on the back for $1 off the full size. Okay, so it's just like a regular. But yeah, I had no idea Burt's Bees made toothpaste. Did you guys know that? I didn't. So, yes, that was the All Natural Target Beauty Box for April 2019. I am definitely glad that I did go back and pick it up. So, thank you, Kitty, for the video. Otherwise, You guys, don't forget we have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so you do want to click the link below and enter that if you have not already. And if you are new, do consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me about your day. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you with the next one. Bye.